Today, we're going to be talking about determining solubilities. And our first example is mercury bromide as seen as HgBr. And here we'll be looking at solubility rule number 3, that all bromides are soluble. Thus, the answer is soluble. Our next example is strontium nitrate as seen SrNO3 subscript 2. And here we'll be looking at rule number 2, that all nitrates are soluble. Thus, the answer is soluble. Our next example is mercury 2 bromide. And here we'll be looking at rule 3, that all bromides are soluble except when combined with mercury subscript 2, thus making the answer insoluble. We'll be looking at ammonium phosphate in our next example as seen NH4 subscript 3, PO4. We'll be looking at rule 2 to say that all ammoniums are soluble, thus making the answer soluble. Our next example is lead 2 iodide as seen PbI2. And here we're going to be looking at rule 3, that all iodides are soluble except when combined with lead 2, thus making the answer insoluble. Our last example is lead 2 acetate as seen PbC2H3O2 subscript 2. We'll be looking at rule 2, that all salts containing acetate are soluble, thus making our last example soluble.